Hello, my respected viewers. Here is some current affairs which will be helpful for upcoming competitive exams. So, let us start now. Number 1. The term West Texas Intermediate, which was recently in news, is associated with which sector? A. Export sanctions. B. Crude oil market. C. Business process outsourcing. D. H-1B visa. The correct answer is B. Crude oil market. Number 2. Sujalam Sufalam Jalosanchoy Abhijan is a water conservation scheme of which Indian state or union territory? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is B. Gujarat. Number 3. What is the name of the program launched by HRD Ministry which invites people and organizations to contribute resources for e-learning? A. Bharat Vidya. B. Vidya Dan 2.0. C. Vidya Bharati 2.0. D. Vidya Samriddhi. The correct answer is B. Vidya Dan 2.0. Number 4. Insurance Australia General has sold its entire 26% stake held in which insurance company of India? A. SBI General Insurance. B. HDFC Ergo. C. ICICI Lombard. D. Aditya Birla Life Insurance. The correct answer is A. SBI General Insurance. Number 5. Arjun Dev, who passed away in April 2020, was associated with A. Business person. B. Politician. C. Historian. D. Musician. The correct answer is C. Historian. Number 6. What is the name of the hackathon supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology which aims to find solutions for overcoming COVID-19 pandemic? A. Hack the COVID India. B. Hack the Crisis India. C. Hack Corona India. D. COVID Hack India. The correct answer is B. Hack the Crisis India. Number 7. International Olympic Committee shifted the Tokyo Olympics to July 2021. In which country is the headquarters of IOC located? A. Greece. B. Switzerland. C. Italy. D. United States. The correct answer is B. Switzerland. Number 8. Under Operation Sanjeevani, India has supplied essential medicines and food grains to which country? A. Myanmar. B. Maldives. C. Sri Lanka. D. Bangladesh. The correct answer is B. Maldives. Number 9. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? A. Monkeys. B. Lizards. C. Hens. D. Kites. The correct answer is A. Monkeys. Number 10. According to the recent announcement of the Health Ministry, about 50 crore citizens will be eligible for free COVID-19 testing and treatment. Under which scheme? A. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. B. Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. C. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana. D. Pradhan Mantri Poshan Yojana. The correct answer is A. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Number 11. Which Indian personality features in the Twitter campaign launched by the Reserve Bank of India to promote digital banking amid the lockdown? A. Virat Kohli. B. Vishwanath Anand. C. Amitabh Bachchan. D. Amir Khan. The correct answer is C. Amitabh Bachchan. Number 12. National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj has collaborated with the regional office of which global organization to train community leaders? A. World Health Organization, B. UNICEF, C. World Bank, D. Food and Agricultural Organization. The correct answer is B. UNICEF. Number 13. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade has lifted restrictions on export of formulation made of which medication? A. Amoxicillin, B. Paracetamol, C. Ibuprofen, D. Cetirizine. The correct answer is B. Paracetamol. Number 14. After the outbreak of COVID-19, what is the forecast of Fitch Solutions on the economic growth of India for the financial year 2020-21? A. 3.2%, B. 2.9%, C. 2.5%, D. 1.8%. The correct answer is D. 1.8%. Number 15. EcoRap is the flagship economic research report of which financial institute of India? A. Reserve Bank of India, B. State Bank of India, C. Securities Exchange Board of India, D. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Answer B. State Bank of India. That's all for today. Hope you must subscribe the channel and click on the all notification bell so that you can get all the notifications for the next time. Thank you.